comes to dishwasher, it's better to get it installed by company personnel. For installation, you can contact Godrej Smart Care. Reach us via WhatsApp. Send hi to 9321 665511 or via our mobile app. Call toll-free 1800-209-5511 or SMS Godrej Care to 56677 or email smartcare@godrej.com. Before installation, you need to call a plumber to ensure water supply and drainage points and an electrician for a 16 ampere power socket. Godrej Aeon dishwashers are equipped to adjust to different water hardness levels. The installation engineer will set the hardness level based on the initial water hardness test. You will not require to change this unless you shift to a new locality or city where water supply is different. Before the first wash, add dishwasher salt as shown till the tank is full. Dishwasher will keep using it based on requirement. The salt needs to be refilled in the dispenser compartment only when the salt indicator lights up. Dishwasher salt helps to soften hard water and protects the dishwasher from scaling, rusting and corrosion. Also, detergent action is better in soft water and you will get cleaner dishes. Rinse aid is used in the dishwasher for spotless and hygienically cleaned dishes. Rinse aid ensures shinier utensils without any dried water droplets or detergent residue. Detergent is used to effectively remove all grease and food stains. The detergent amount needed is 15 grams for half load and 25 grams for full load as shown by the marking in the detergent pocket in the door. If you want to use in 3-in-1 tablet, you can insert it in the detergent pocket of the door and select tablet option on the control panel before starting the cycle. The 3-in-1 tablet comprises of detergent, rinse aid and salt for one-time wash load. For half loads or shorter cycles, the tablet can remain unused. A full load and a complete program can utilize the tablet better. For optimal results, scrape off any large food particles before loading the dishes, as that can get stuck and clog the drain filter. If the food has hardened, you may need to let the dish soak first. Here's a quick demonstration of how to load the dishwasher with the dishes. While loading your dishwasher, place the utensils upside down without overlapping so that the water sprays are not blocked. Place your spoons and forks facing up and knives facing down. Last but not the least, check that the spray arms can rotate freely without being obstructed by your dishes. You can keep the spoon knives and forks in the basket provided. If you have fewer spoons to wash, you may place it here. In order to optimize the available space in your dishwasher, take some time to play around with a few different loading layouts since every home uses different type of utensils. Now let's take a close look at the control panel. This button will power on or off the dishwasher. You can navigate any one of the 8 wash program with this button. Mini 14 is a 14-minute program for lightly soiled and recently used dishes, suitable for 4-place settings. Quick 30 operates at 40 degrees Celsius, useful for lightly soiled dishes and a quick wash. Eco is a standard program for normally soiled daily use dishes. This mode saves energy and uses only 9 liters of water throughout the cycle. In Dual Pro Wash at 60 degrees Celsius, a single load can be cleaned at 2 separate water pressures, ideal for both lightly soiled delicate glassware on top and heavily soiled dishes at the bottom. Super 50 at 65 degrees Celsius is an optimally timed 50-minute program to be used for normally soiled daily use dishes. Smart 30° to 50° Celsius is an automatic program for delicate dishes which are not heavily soiled. Smart 50° to 60° Celsius is an automatic program for normally soiled dishes. Smart 60° to 70° Celsius is an automatic program for heavily soiled dishes. Select the program by pressing the tick button. To begin the program, press Start or Pause button. The selected program LED will light up. The LED display in the center will show the remaining time. To activate ionizer, helpful for deodorizing, long press the extra button for 3 seconds. Continue pressing it for 6 seconds to activate Crystallite UV technology. The LED display will indicate U1. To deactivate it, long press it again for 6 seconds indicated by U0. Apart from these programs, this dishwasher has two unique functions. Direct wash function for washing glasses, bottles, etc. by directing the water upwards into them by turning the nozzle in a vertical position on the upper basket. Triple wash function uses 2 extra sprays at the back of the machine to effectively wash hard soiled pans, cookers, etc. by placing them in triple wash spray zone. You can view the progress of the program cycle in the LED display, that is wash, rinse, dry, end cycle. At any point of time, if you want to pause the operation, press the Start button again. The 3-dot extra button lets you navigate through the extra functions, top and bottom basket selection and tablet mode. Press the tick button to select or deselect any of the options. Tablet option is activated by pressing extra button until LED of tablet icon turns on and then pressing tick button. Extra hygiene is activated by pressing extra button until its LED turns on and then pressing tick button. This function alters the water temperature and wash time of the selected program for a more hygienic and cleaner wash. Half load options are activated by pressing extra button until its respective LED turns on and then pressing tick button. If you have less dishes, you may load either upper or lower basket and press the half load button to select the loaded basket. If you have dishes in both baskets, then press half load button to select both basket option. Auto door function automatically opens the door slightly during drying, which lets the hot air out of the dishwasher. This reduces the energy required to dry the dishes significantly. Select this function by pressing extra button until LED of energy save turns on and then press tick button. To reduce wash duration, select extra fast by pressing extra button until its respective LED turns on and then press tick button. This option washes the dishes with more pressure and provides more economical water usage. Extra silent option is activated by pressing extra button until its respective LED turns on and then press tick button. In this, the dishes are washed with less pressure for silent wash. To activate child lock, press tick button for 3 seconds. This will be indicated by CL on LED display. You can delay the start of any program ranging from 1 hour to 24 hours in 1 hour intervals by pressing delay button. When dishwasher is running low on salt and rinse aid and needs refill, this indicator will light up. To go back to default settings anytime during the cycle, you can long press Start or Pause button for 3 seconds. Dishwashers can effectively wash steel, porcelain, ceramic, glass, and melamine utensils perfectly. It can also wash Teflon-coated non-stick cookware that have a dishwasher safe sign. If you are washing any plasticware or siliconeware, ensure it is dishwasher safe. Copper, aluminium and silverwares should not be washed in the dishwasher. Auto door open feature automatically opens the door slightly during drying, which lets the hot air out of the dishwasher. This reduces the energy required to dry the dishes significantly thereby making the drying process more efficient. As a safe practice, always switch off the dishwasher from control panel and mains before loading or unloading. To avoid the drain filter from clogging, it is a good practice to remove and wash it thoroughly with water to get rid of unwanted food particles. Some do's and don'ts are mentioned on top of your dishwasher for easy reference.